Today, working on this puppy, installing that guy. And that doesn't go in the back, that's going on the front. Doing a front hitch mount up in there. Should only take about half an hour, and that will allow me to mount my mobile winch to the front of the truck. Here we go. Step one, loosen off these two bolts on both sides. All right, finish up those front four nuts to 48 foot-pounds. Tighten! Lastly, our two M12 nuts. They go into here, 10.9s, both sides. Unfortunately, I forgot them, so I'm gonna do them later, but put those in, torque them down to, I think it's 86 or 89 foot-pounds. And that should be it. Put the winch on there, try it out. Yes! And just looking around underneath for oil changes. It is gonna be a bit tight to get in there to get these two nuts off for the front skid, plastic one. And that one there should be access to, but other than that, these ones are all good. It's just gonna take a bit longer to get those off now. So I went with the Drawtite. It's got a 9,000 pound straight line pull, which would be plenty for what I do in this truck. And now I'm gonna look around and see if I need to do anything else while I'm under here. Here it is with the winch installed, check it out. Hopefully I don't need it because, you know, Toyotas never get stuck.
Phone in the swamp. Don't drop your phone in the swamp. Don't drop your phone in the swamp. I don't know.